Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru Impreza and Mitsubishi Lancer rally cars. These two automotive legends battled fiercely on rally stages worldwide, creating one of motorsport's most iconic rivalries. We'll explore their unique engineering philosophies and what made each car a champion. Get ready to dive into the world of high-performance all-wheel drive and turbocharged engines. The Subaru Impreza, particularly its WRX and Style variants, became a rally icon. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive system, combined with the unique horizontally opposed boxer engine, provided exceptional balance and a low center of gravity. This design choice significantly improved stability and handling, crucial for navigating diverse rally terrains. The Impreza's rally success, including multiple championships, cemented its legendary status. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, or EVO, was a formidable competitor, renowned for its advanced technology. Its robust 4G63 turbocharged engine was highly durable and offered immense tuning potential. Key to its agility was the active yaw control system, which intelligently distributed torque to enhance cornering and traction. The Evo's strong chassis and sophisticated all-wheel drive made it a consistent winner on rally circuits. Ultimately, both the Subaru Impreza and Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution are rally legends, each with a dedicated following. The Impreza is often praised for its balanced feel and unique boxer engine rumble, while the Lancer Evo is celebrated for its sharp handling and advanced differentials. Choosing between them often comes down to individual driving style and preference. Both cars delivered thrilling performance and left an indelible mark on motorsport history.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.